Hi everyone, it's Destiny Couples. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair DIY tutorial for you guys. This tutorial is totally legitimate and it's the first time since I ever did a hair tutorial on my channel. So I'm going to show you what I like doing to my hair and how to make my hair grow longer and prevent damage from it. So if you guys would like to know how I do this DIY treatment, then please keep on watching. Items you need coconut oil, or you can use liquid, it doesn't matter, 2 eggs, olive oil or any cooking oil will do, and honey. And I'm going to show you, and these are the items you're going to need, but there are other ways that you could do it and I'm going to leave them in the description down below. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is turn off the heat, which is something, and I'm going to put it on the lowest temperature, or I'm gonna put it up a little bit, not too much because you don't want the oil to start popping on you. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take some of the coconut oil. This is a paste form. I use this like once a week maybe to do my hair with, but I'm gonna first put in the olive oil, and I'm going to put they recommend put 2 tablespoons, but I'm just going to put in as much as I think looks good, and I'm trying to avoid it popping all over the place because I do not want that. So yeah, this is I'm gonna moosh this all around, and this is a clean pot. Clean the dishes before you begin anything. Now I'm gonna take the coconut oil and actually let me use a spoon. I'm gonna take this, and it's kind of hard when I have the camera in one hand, and I'm going to add it to the mixture. And let me do that really quick. Now this is what it looks like. I'm right now letting it simmer and letting all the ingredients combined. It took me a while to get the coconut in because it was so freaking hard. I had to literally sit there and jab it pretty much. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna let that sit in, and now we can move on to the next stuff. So the first thing for this one, you're gonna need honey. Oh, whoopsies. You need honey, this honey right here, and 2 eggs. So I'm gonna break up the 2 eggs for this. What? Like that. Ooh, I'm good. And I'm going, once you break both of them up, Now once you've broken them up, make sure you have nothing left in there, which I actually dropped a cob shell. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to start whisking the eggs. And you're gonna make sure they're really, really beat up. Like really, really beat up. No bumps, no nothing in there. And then I'm going to combine this with the olive oil treatment that is sitting right there. And perhaps I'm going to turn this off now because I don't like to leave it for like not a bit of a long period of time, if you know what I mean. And see, it just sizzled right now, so I mean that's pretty good. And I'm gonna let that cool off for a few minutes. But speed up timing, I'm going to take the fan that I have up here, and the fan will cool it down faster. So now I'm going to continue whisking these eggs so it comes up to the paste I like, which is now I'm going to take some honey, and that's if I can get it open. Got the honey open, and squeeze a few pumps out of there. Like if you want to do more than 1 pump, go ahead, because this recipe you can do it any way if you want. If you like more honey, if you like less honey, more eggs, less eggs, more olive oil or stuff like that. This is something that you could try at home, or there are other recipes, but I am going to leave them down below. There's one where you can do it with bananas, some oil called bacteria oil, aloe plant, eggs, garlic, what else? I think that's pretty much it. And yogurt, and milk, and avocados, and onions, and potato water. And I will leave those in the link as always. Now I'm going to start putting on. This is finally cooled off. Let's put it in. So I had this little mixture ready, sitting and waiting, and I have this cooling off. So I'm going to put this in here, and with a spoon, let me put the pot in there, with a clean spoon, please. Trying to find a good spoon. I'll just use a fork. I'm going to take it and I'm going to mix the ingredients together. And at the meantime, you can add more coconut, you can add more olive oil, you can add more egg or honey in particular. When I did this, I added a little bit more honey, but I'm not going to do that today because this is totally different. And now we have this mix, and I'm gonna go to the bathroom and first thing I'm doing is brushing my hair, making sure all the knots are out before I begin the process. And now we could begin. First thing I'm doing is taking my hair and teasing it with, where did I put the clip? Right here, here's the clip. Taking my hair and sectioning it off into sections, and I'm gonna pin it up. Try to, oh my god. Now once you had your layer out, brush it again to make sure anything or knots are available on your hair. Then I'm going to take the mixture, and I'm going to take it, both my hands, rub it in, both my hands, and take it and rub it through your roots. But you can also put this on the parts you really want your hair to grow. I'm putting it all over my roots and my ends the most because my ends are the ones that are mainly have a lot of breakage and stuff. Because I don't know, because like my hair's been bleached for like nearly a year, so I figure like why not just you know my hair's been so damaged lately. I just didn't thought about treatments and stuff like that and whatnot. And yeah, so I'm taking it, rubbing it all over. Since my bangs are like the shortest part, I like to start with that one, but since I started with the back of my hair first, it really doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm gonna keep applying this all over my hair, and I'm gonna keep taking it out and sectioning it. Ugh, I hate this clips. Forget it. Keep doing the process over and over. Keep repeating the process over and over till you reach the point where you have no more hair left. Oh, I hate this so much. I hate it when the clip does that because my hair is so freaking uneven and short. It's crazy. Keep taking it and rubbing it and massaging it through your hair. And as you notice, like as I'm doing it, all of my hair is coming out because of it, because that's how badly it is and stuff, and it stuck to me. Ugh, I hate that. Oh well, I'm gonna wash my hands after this, so I'm gonna go continue this process over and over, put a bag over my head and wait it for at least half an hour to a full, like an hour and a half to like a full hour, but I recommend putting it for an hour and a half because it's a longer process for the products to sink in. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a glorious day, my sisters. Don't forget to be true to yourself. Subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe and follow my social media. Subscribe to my social media. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye.